socket works as an OLED touchscreen or simple trackpad that snaps onto your pop socket. Look what happens when you use huge for gamers. Serious gamers know how annoying it can be when your fingers block your view. With the touch socket, you can finally step up your game because that obstacle is gone. With behind-the-phone precision controls, nothing gets in your way of crushing a smartphone. Instantly, you get a second ultra-high-def screen and multi-touch mouse. The cursor adds convenience when you need to zoom in and out, rotate, scroll, or navigate your device. No more tripping over your fingers because you never touch your screen. Improve the battery life of your phone and get you up to 12 hours of use on a 30-minute charge. Touch Socket totally reinvents the way you interact with your devices. It's just the secondary screen shows you reminders, notifications, and lets you quickly preview videos and photos. Plus, the touch socket easily transforms into a pocket watch, a wristwatch, or a controller for your computer, tablet, and music library. And while we're on the topic, the touch socket even behaves like an Amazon Echo or Google Home. Just say, "Hey Alexa," or "Okay Google," and let your touch socket
What is innovation? Innovation is making the inaccessible accessible to all. Introducing Pocket Drum, the smart wireless drumstick that allows you to drum wherever, whenever. Best of all, you can connect your headphones for a truly silent experience, so you can play without disturbing others. Not only can you hear the beats, you can see them with synchronized LED lights and feel them from advanced haptic technology. With the intuitive Aeroband app, you have 3 different modes to learn, practice, and record your own music with. Pocket Drum is perfect for beginners or professionals. Aeroband's built-in Bluetooth capability and extended battery life, you can make the streets your musical playground, freeing you from being tied down by big, bulky equipment. We've partnered with professional drummers to make sure the haptic perception is as realistic as possible. The Pocket Drum has incredible velocity response and imperceptible latency. You will be amazed at how precise it feels. Use your skills while traveling the world with ease. The possibilities are endless. Experience the Pocket Drum for yourself.